Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the ringtone in this device. To change the ringtone, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on sounds and vibration. Then again scroll down. Here you can see the option ringtone. Tap on this one. Then here you can see two inbuilt ringtone, classic themes and aquamorphic themes. If you tap on this one, now you can see under classic themes. Then now the ringtone on this device is OnePlus Nord. If you tap on this one, you will get lots of ringtone. You will get from here. Just I will show you. Okay, if you go back, you can see the ringtone is changed. Same this way, you can select a ringtone from the aquamorphic themes also. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. So in case if you want to set a ringtone that you download or that if you customize the ringtone, then tap on the option on this device and it will directly go to where the MP3 file is downloaded. And from here you have to select the ringtone. Okay, so simply here I am going to select this one. Now you can see I select this one. Now go back. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. So simply in this way you can customize or change the ringtone in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.